Do-it-yourself Dell here. This is a project that has not worked out exactly as what was planned initially. Initially, we wanted to use this to plant some, I think, radishes. One third of it was radishes, and one third was what were the other two things? We should have planted rice, is what we should have planted, but
onions.
Onions. And I forgot the other thing. And the first thing, one of the things was growing really well until it rained a few times. And now you can see what we got out of the deal is kind of a mucky swamp full of leaves and stuff, which it didn't. Sometimes things just don't work out the way you. So we were just trying to communicate with the person that suggested this, and we know that they watch our videos. So this is something that not everything works, but it's got a nice shelf here to put it on, and we had the best of intentions on this thing. And I'm not a person that grows things, but I was outvoted on this thing as to what a great project it would be. But this was how it started off good, and then it sort of ended up like this. So and everything is but the aquarium itself is still good. And the shelf can be used for something, garden, something related to gardening, or something backyard things, or maybe we could put up a monument to that woodpecker that's poking holes in my garage. So, okay, so do it yourself, Dell. Signing off for now.